Go.
Hi, Scentsy friends. Today we are talking about Dory and Nemo. You could get them available. They're available right now.
And which one's Nemo?
Nemo is this one and Dory is this one.
Oh, great. And what's the fragrance, Blake?
It's called Just Keep Swimming.
Good one. Good remembering, buddy. And they come in these great cute canisters, don't
Yes.
they? Yeah.
And they're from Disney.
They are from Disney. That's got the beautiful Disney logo there.
Yes.
Do we love them?
Oh, yes.
What's your favourite thing about Nemo? Hold it up to the camera.
He says, what would Dory do? He actually says that.
Does he? And what's your favourite thing about the Dory? What do you like about the Dory buddy clip?
She has this yellow and blue because they're like match. They're like really and also
It's like metallic.
Dots. Like dots.
It's got a metallic finish on it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Looks really shiny. You can't see that.
I like the eyes too.
Yeah. You hold it up here, buddy. See?
Yeah.
So they can see how metallic
And also I like Nemo's eyes.
He's got cool eyes, doesn't he?
Look at it.
They've both got cool eyes. Hello. Hello. Hello, Blake. What's this one? Hello. Hello, Blake. And I love this one. His fur kind of changes a little bit when you look at him in the sun. Kind of glistens, just like a real clownfish, don't you think?
Yeah.
He changes colour.
Yeah, this looks like grey, not white.
Yeah. It changes colour. It's
But in the camera, it looks like really white.
Yeah, it does. Looks cool, hey? All right, so where are we going to find these ones if we want to buy them?
Oh, we're going to find it at here. We're going to find it at the closest Scentsy consultant, which is right here.
Thank you, Blake. So check out these ones and look out for these. Available now from your nearest Scentsy consultant. See you later.